Hi there, this is Paula from Replicon, and here are some of the new features we added in the past 3 months. We've offered dashboards as a beta product for a while, but now they're ready for prime time. Replicon's dashboards are shared interfaces where you can create real-time graphical representations of critical Replicon data. You can create all sorts of charts, ones that show which of your projects or clients yield the most profit, or ones that help you keep up with how much time off each employee has taken, for example. One recent improvement we've made: users will now only see data in dashboard charts that they have permission to view in the rest of the application, making it much easier to assign these without worrying about confidentiality issues. We've introduced some new options to make holiday setup more flexible for users with special requirements. Now you can define the duration of a particular holiday, rather than using the default, having the duration based on the number of hours each user is scheduled to work. This new option may be useful if an employee is entitled to a holiday, even if they're not scheduled to work it, or for companies whose schedules don't reflect actual hours worked or pay entitlements. You can now also set up partial day holidays that are used by some companies, say 2 hours off for early office closures. And you can also now set up unpaid holidays, which are used in some jurisdictions. This is a simple but useful change. You can now sort timesheet rows by project, task, client, billing rate, activity, or custom field in timesheets that use the time distribution grid configurable format. Why might users need to sort rows? Sorting can make it easier for employees to find projects, tasks, or activities they need to add additional hours to. Plus, it can help approvers group data that pertains to a single project or client that is scattered in multiple rows across the timesheet. With our new escalated to next approver after elapsed time rule, if a booking isn't approved in the time frame you specify, it's escalated to the approver's supervisor for approval. It will keep moving up the supervisor hierarchy until it is approved within the set time limit, or until it reaches the maximum number of levels you defined. So you can set things up so bookings don't go all the way to your CEO, unless you want them to. In some countries, right to disconnect laws protect workers from being disturbed by work-related communication, phone calls, emails, push notifications, etc., on their days off. Now, on the notifications page in each user profile, you can specify whether a user's notifications are sent only on workdays as defined by their schedule. Those are some of the new features we added last quarter. If you'd like more information, check out Replicon's help at www.replicon.com/help. You can also subscribe to have release information delivered to your inbox each week. Signing up is easy. Simply click the Customer Community option in Replicon, click Categories, select Product Updates, and then click Follow.